offer the potential of visually engaging experiences to our clients with different technologies of 2D customization, 3D product configuration, augmented reality, virtual try-on, anything that is a layer between the product and the merchant and the consumer, and how they actually engage with the products. The way we did it is by offering solutions that are accessible and no code. So they don't require any type of abilities from the actual merchants, so they can actually implement them in a very quick and optimized way. Of course, when it comes to this, it means that we needed to make the assets that are utilized in this platform ready to use and web ready immediately without too much effort from the other side in utilizing their own assets. And this is where RapidPipeline came in, helping Zakeke offering that seamless experience even more in the pre-implementation part of the system and process. So we offer one click to Web 280 3D that helps us cut the waste, scale the output for our merchants. We currently work with over 10,000 customers. We started in 2017. We have over 400 different verticals we work with in 130 different countries. And we have currently personalized and customized 42 million products to date. As I was mentioning, we are a solution that offers the ease for merchants to increase their sales and their revenue, but at the same time optimize their own processes prior to the revenue generation. And it's very important for those customers to be able to use their own ready files or to be able to optimize them in a quick way so they don't have to go through a lot of expenses in order to just use Zakeke. We've always been a long-tail business. That means that we want the merchant to be able to use Zakeke without requiring additional resources and actually cutting the resources they don't need. That means that with technologies like 3D product configuration and augmented reality, virtual try-on, the only thing they need to do is upload their assets, and RapidPipeline will quickly convert them into a GLB format to be used in Zakeke for web-ready use, which means that millions of polygons, 3D models, as well as very huge size models can be used for e-commerce in a quick way without needing to go to an extent or such an effort that would actually make the implementation useless for any type of customers. That means that we break that bottleneck between what the assets that you have are and what the assets that you need for Zakeke are, so that you can make the effortless and start using such a tool without needing expertise. So many merchants have actually come to us with this problem. They would come to us and say, okay, it's perfect, I can implement Zakeke very easily, I don't need to have expertise, but at the same time my assets are not compatible with web, or it's going to take me a lifetime to get them up and running without facing slow processes or bad performance or just ugly look on the website because the models that I can create don't look the same. So it's very important for us to keep the quality while expediting the entire process, and that's where one-click optimization comes from. So the result is for our customers to be able to go up and running with their website and their online platforms, e-commerce, in a matter of minutes or hours or a few days, depending on the size of their catalog, using their own assets without needing to adapt to a new system. So we are the one completely adapting and seamlessly integrating with their own assets for their use. If you want to know a little more, you can scan, you can talk to me. As I was saying, we work with a large amount of businesses, from small to medium to large and enterprise. We work with businesses in the luxury and apparel business, but at the same time, we work with automotive as well as the small mom and pop shop that sells printable items. So we wanted to scale, at the same time reach the largest amount of businesses, because we believe that scale and long tail is actually what makes our product the deepest amongst our competitors.